The paper title is Machining Performance Improvement in Turning of EN24 Steel Using Design of Experiments. The design of experiment is adapted to perform the machining trials, and the type of design of experiment adapted is Taguchi's concept. The machine used for the experimental trials is Spinner 25 CNC lathe machine, and the machining bound and range are shown in the table. The machining bounds considered for this work are rotational speed, tool feed, and cut depth, and all the three machining bounds are taken at 3 levels. And L9 orthogonal table based on Taguchi's concept is presented. Totally 9 machining runs are carried out. From the response table of surface texture, it is identified that tool feed has the highest effect on the surface texture, and surface texture value obtained with the optimized set of parameters is 0.567 micrometers, and the rate of material elimination value obtained with the optimized set of parameters is 2511 millimeter cube per minute, and the optimum combination of machining bounds is verified by conducting verification machining. Smooth surface texture and higher rate of material elimination is achieved with the verification machining experiments.